Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Do you often find yourself needing to convert photos into PDFs for sharing or archiving? Having the right app can make this task quick and easy. Today, we're diving into 3 of the best photo to PDF apps available for Android that will help you convert your images seamlessly. Let's get started. Photo to PDF Maker VE Converter. Photo to PDF Maker VE Converter is a user-friendly app that allows you to easily convert your images into PDF documents. The app supports various image formats, including JPEG and PNG, and provides a straightforward interface for uploading photos. Users can select multiple images at once and arrange them in the desired order before conversion. One of the standout features of this app is its ability to customize PDF settings, including page size and orientation. Once the conversion is complete, users can save the PDF to their device or share it via email or social media. This app is ideal for those needing a quick and efficient way to create PDFs from photos. Image to PDF Converter. Image to PDF Converter is another excellent option for converting photos into PDF files. This app offers a simple and intuitive interface, allowing users to import images directly from their device's gallery or take new photos with their camera. Users can combine multiple images into a single PDF, and the app includes features for rearranging the image order and adding page margins. Image to PDF Converter also supports various output settings, enabling users to choose the PDF resolution and format. Once converted, users can easily share the PDF or save it in different storage locations. This app is great for anyone looking for a reliable and quick way to turn images into PDFs. Photo PDF Maker. Photo PDF Maker is designed specifically for turning photos into PDF documents quickly and easily. The app allows users to import images from their gallery or capture new photos, making the process flexible and convenient. Users can select multiple images and customize the order before converting them into a PDF. A key feature of Photo PDF Maker is the ability to preview the final PDF before saving, ensuring everything looks just right. Users can also add just paper sizes and orientations to suit their needs. After conversion, the PDF can be shared through email or messaging apps, enhancing its utility. For anyone who regularly needs to convert photos to PDFs, this app is an effective solution. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best photo to PDF apps helps you find the perfect tool for your conversion needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tech tips. Have you tried any of these apps, or do you have favorites of your own? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy converting.